Welcome to TGH Learnings. In this video, we are going to create a realistic wall head destruction effect in Autodesk Maya using the bullet physics solver. We'll go step by step from preparing the wall, setting up rigid bodies, adjusting physics properties, and finally getting a clean, believable simulation. Let's jump right in. So first, I already have the brick wall ready here. Now, I am creating a soccer ball poly model and placing it in front of the wall. This is going to be our projectile. Next, I am drag selecting all the wall bricks, centering the pivot, deleting the history, and freezing the transformations, just to make sure everything behaves properly once we turn this into a simulation. Now select all the brick walls and then go to bullet and apply rigid set. In the outliner, you will see the bullet solver. If you don't see this option, go to Windows, Settings/Preferences and go to Plugin Manager. Here, search for bullet and load the bullet.mll. Now, if I hit play, you'll see the wall immediately collapses. To stop it from falling through the ground, select the bullet solver shape node. In the attribute, turn on ground plane. This adds an invisible floor inside the bullet system. Then, increase the internal fixed frame rate to 120 or even 240. Increasing this makes the simulation more stable and accurate. Next, go to the bullet rigid set initial state attribute and turn on initially sleeping. This keeps the wall frozen at the start so the brick won't move until the soccer ball actually hits them. Select the ball, go to bullet, then active rigid body settings. Inside the window, change the collider shape type to sphere and set the body type to kinematic rigid body. Then hit apply. We are doing this because a sphere collider gives more accurate collisions, and a kinematic body means we'll control the motion with animation instead of pure physics. First, select the ball and key the first frame. Move forward in the timeline, push the ball toward the wall and key the last frame. Now, play the animation. You should see the destruction. To refine it, select the bullet solver and increase the default mass so the impact feels stronger. Adjust linear damping to reduce sliding, angular damping to slow spinning, increase friction so bricks don't slip, and restitution to control how bouncy the collision looks. Now, let's move to glue shapes. I am turning on glue shapes. This keeps all the bricks stuck together at the start so the wall behaves like a solid structure instead of falling apart instantly. Next, I am adjusting the glue breaking threshold. This controls how much force is needed to break the wall. Lower values makes it shatter easily, higher value makes it stay stronger. After testing that, I am changing the maximum constraints per body. This sets how many glues connection each bricks can have with its neighbors. If you lower this value, the wall will break apart more easily and feel weaker. If you increase it, the bricks stay connected longer and the structure becomes much stronger and harder to destroy. Using bullet in Autodesk Maya. From setting up the wall and projectile to stabilizing the solver, animating the impact, and controlling the break using glue and constraints. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to TGH Learnings, and drop a comment telling me what kind of simulation you want to see next. See you in the next one.